Hi everyone, it's Nee. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper milk carton to store little gifts. As always, the timestamps are in the description along with the relevant links to the materials I use. Alright, let's get started. So you're going to need a 12 by 12 scrapbooking sheet of paper, a scoring board and ruler, a bone fold, and if you don't have a scoring board, you can always just use a ruler and bone fold to get the straight creases. You also need a paper cutting board and a pair of scissors. You'll need extra scraps of paper for decoration. And also, this is optional, handmade or store-bought embellishments. And finally, you need a writing utensil. Let's get started. So first, you're going to score the 12 by 12 paper at the 8-inch mark. Turn the paper 90 degrees and score at the 11 3/4 inch mark. Next, use your cutting board to cut at the score lines. At the end, you should get an 8-inch by 11 3/4 sheet of paper. Lay the paper face down with the 8-inch side parallel to the top of your scoring board. Score at the 5/8 inch mark. Then score at the 2 3/4 inch mark. Score again at the 5/7/8 inch mark. Next, turn your paper 90 degrees so that the 11-inch side of the paper is parallel to the top of your scoring board. Score at the 2 3/4 inch mark, then score at the 5.5 inch mark. Score again at the 8 1/4 inch mark, and finally score at the 11th inch mark. Now fold and crease all of your score marks. Now you're going to want to mark the skinny rectangle in the corner. If you want to make sure you're cutting the right rectangle, it should be 3/4 of an inch by 2 1/4 of an inch. Cut the panel out. Now you're going to cut 2 1/8 of an inch into the page from the bottom, perpendicular to the 11-inch side. You can see what I'm talking about in this video since it can be a little bit hard to explain. Afterwards, cut the bottom panels into trapezoids by trimming a triangle off at the left and right ends of each panel. On the second row down from the top, mark the middle of the panel adjacent to the 3/4 inch flap using a ruler. Then skip a panel horizontally and repeat the mark on the next panel. Next, draw diagonal lines from each bottom corner of the marked panels to the middle of the top side of the panel. After you've done that, you're going to want to line your ruler so that it's perpendicular to the top of the scoring board and parallel to a scoring dent in the scoring board. Keep the ruler from moving and line up the diagonal lines that you drew with the ruler. Once you've done that, you're going to want to score the diagonal lines. Now you're going to want to glue the 3/4 inch flap to the opposite side's panel. Use a bone fold to strengthen the bond of the glue. Then you're going to want to glue the trapezoid pieces together to create the bottom of the milk carton. Fold in the diagonal lines at the top And finally, use a paper clip to close the milk carton. Now you're going to score your scrap paper at the 2-inch mark. Turn the paper 90 degrees and score again at the 2.5-inch mark. Also score at the 1/2-inch mark. After scoring, you're going to want to cut at the score marks. Now crease and fold the 1/2-inch flap and glue it in place. Then you're going to use a hole puncher to punch a hole at the top where the flap is folded. Cut a triangle out from the bottom to give this piece of scrap paper the flag look. Finally, you're going to add embellishments with adhesives that you have. Here I'm using some foam dots and a hot glue gun. When you're done embellishing the banner flag, string it onto the paper clip that you put on the milk carton earlier. Let your hot glue gun heat up. In the meantime, you can label or continue decorating your flag banner. Attach the banner to the milk carton, and now add hot glue gun to your 3D embellishments. Attach the embellishments to the milk carton, and you're all done. Now you can put small gifts like chocolates, stickers, jewelry, or gift cards into the box. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.